Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade Kool-Aid step by step. Start by washing lemons thoroughly, then zest one lemon for extra aroma and set aside. Juice lemons until you have about 2 cups of fresh lemon juice and remove seeds. Combine lemon juice with 1 cup sugar and 6 cups cold water in a pitcher, stirring until sugar dissolves fully. Warm a half cup of water and stir in 1 cup sugar until fully dissolved to create a simple syrup. Let the syrup cool briefly and add it to the pitcher with lemon juice and 6 cups cold water. Sprinkle in 1 packet powdered drink mix and whisk gently until evenly colored. Chill for 30 minutes, then taste and adjust sweetness or acidity to your preference before serving. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with budgeting for fun treats like homemade drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if you enjoy practical advice. Now let's get back to the video. Fill glasses with plenty of ice, pour the lemonade Kool-Aid over the ice, and garnish with lemon slices or mint for a fresh presentation. For a fruity variation, muddle berries or add 1/4 cup of pureed fruit to each pitcher. Use chilled glassware and serve with reusable straws for a polished touch. Store any leftovers in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator and enjoy within 3 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.